Welcome to WhatGear Reviews, tech reviews coming to you from rainy old England. Except today is not raining and Huawei have just unleashed a bunch of new tech. So I'm just going to briefly run through the stuff that they've launched today, with one of the highlights being, of course, Harmony OS. Something that we've been hearing a lot about lately, but we've never actually seen. And at this point in time, essentially what it is the glue that sticks all of your IoT devices together. And it still does kind of piggyback on the Android operating system. But anyway, I'll get into that in a bit more depth. So the first big announcement was, of course, the Huawei Watch 3. So this is a huge leap forward when it comes to Huawei watches. They've been making them for 6 years. They have evolved. One of the big upgrades that we see is the fact that now the crown on the side, the little rotating crown, operates the user interface, so you can actually zoom in, zoom out, see all of your apps all on one screen. That is a big improvement, and there are 3 different versions of this. And another big improvement when it comes to all of the new watches from Huawei is that now you've got 24-hour continuous health tracking using SPO2 and all the other modes that were there before. Now it can do 24/7 around the clock. And thanks to the eSIM variants, now we can have full detect as well. So if you've got this and you fall over by accident, you can actually set the full detect settings to call whoever you want it to. In case you're in an accident or something like that, the eSIM will dial out automatically for you, so that's pretty cool. And there is the app gallery on board now as well, so that's an awesome addition. Another new product from Huawei is the MatePad 11. So this is a full view display. It's got 120 Hz refresh rate. It's got 4 speakers and 4 microphones on board. Of course, it's not going to have GMS, but you will have petal search and you will have Harmony OS. And again, that will work seamlessly with the earbuds, the watches, the phones. And it's actually quite crazy how well it works all together. And hopefully I'll get to show you that at some point in the future. And Huawei have entered a new market with monitors now, and there were 2 really cool new monitors. And I'm kicking myself because I just spent 500 quid on a gaming monitor that isn't even half as good as this one they just launched today for about that same price. So we've got the MateView GT, which is an ultra wide monitor. It supports 165 Hertz refresh rate. It's got a built-in soundbar, and it's also got built-in RGB. It's also got a 4 millisecond response time. The RGB also doubles up as touch control, so you can control the monitor using the touch bar where the RGBs are. That's pretty cool. There's also a soundbar built in with stereo speakers. The other monitor that was also released today was just called the MateView, not the GT, the MateView. This one is more for productivity. It's more of a square format, a 3x2 I believe it is. But the main thing here is the color quality, color accuracy on this display. And it's a really beautiful display. It's got built-in speakers just like the GT version, but you're not going to have as much separation when it comes to audio because it's all in that stand underneath it. And Huawei also unveiled some new earbuds, and you guys know I like my earbuds. So we've got the new FreeBuds 4. So the story here is actually they've now made the drivers bigger, and that's important with any audio device. You make the drivers bigger, the sound quality should naturally improve. And I've heard people say to me that the FreeBuds 4 sound better than the Pros from last year. I do like the design on them. They're not changed all that much. There is one difference between the colors. So you got the white and the titanium color. If you go for the white one, you don't have wireless charging. If you go for the silver color, you will have wireless charging. And what's interesting is when you pop them out of the case, they're actually chrome, not that kind of brushed metal finish. I didn't get to try them because, of course, COVID restrictions and stuff like that. So hopefully I'll get to test them out in the future. But they look pretty awesome too. Bigger drivers, better sound, it's got to be. And the ANC has been improved as well. So now they've got presets for ANC depending on the shape of your ear canal. So it will use an interior mic to measure your ear canal in some way. And then it will apply an EQ preset for the ANC. So you get the best quality ANC because they are open fit earbuds. There's no silicone tip, so it's a bit harder to mute the sound. You don't get much passive noise cancelling. So that ANC has to be really on point, and Huawei say it is. Well, we'll find out in the near future. I hope you enjoyed this quick summary. If you did, and you're a Huawei fan, check out some more of my other Huawei videos. I'm filming this on the Mate X2. If you want to know what that phone is all about, the video's on screen right now. Also, if you want to know how to get Google Apps very easily within 2 minutes, there is a thumbnail on screen right now. Go check that out. See you guys in the next one. They'll be late.